Another year, another PC build, and after months of saving, researching, and trial and error, it's finally here, my dream PC build. In today's video, I'm just going to share with you my newest PC build. It's just a very short vlog or a setup tour, since a lot of you are asking for it. Here's a very short setup PC build tour with my newest setup. Ang gulo nun. But anyway, I'm just gonna shut up and show you the star of the show. I mainly use my main setup for cloud and writing scripts, since that PC build is very outdated with its 1070. And I actually built this setup for editing and productivity and also gaming, I guess, because it has a 4070 Ti Super, right? And also for cloud. Let's start first with this OG table. I got this way back 2020 from Facebook Marketplace for just 2,000 pesos. It's simple, nothing fancy, but it was my very first desk. It reminds me of where I started, so even with all the upgrades, I just couldn't let it go. Next, the wooden accessories. I got this monitor stand from Raise the Grain, made from Wench wood, and honestly, it just adds a warm, cozy vibe to the setup. One of my favorite upgrades is this Arzopa Z1FC portable gaming monitor. It's a 16 inches, 144Hz, and they barely take up any space. I use two of them for editing and multitasking, one for each setup, and it's like having dual monitor setup minus the clutter. It's perfect for small desk like mine. Now, onto the peripherals. My main keyboard here is the Inky 75, very simple, just creamy, and very satisfying to type on. I also have the Sugar65 purely for aesthetic, since it matches the wave design on my mousepad and wallpaper. And if you're curious about my mouse, it's a pink Mchose A5 Ultra, which is the perfect size, very lightweight, and honestly just cute. And last, the mousepad. I designed it myself. Making stuff like this is a little hobby of mine. Now, the big star of the show. The ASUS ProArt Display PA348CGV. It's a 34 inches ultra-wide, 120Hz up to 144Hz if I remember, and has an insane color accuracy for editing, and hands down the best monitor I've ever used. I may or may not make another separate video about this monitor, since it deserves a deep dive, but I think this monitor is the best accessory that I have for this setup. This is also one of my dream monitor, a 120Hz monitor and a color accurate monitor. And of course, the PC build. For the processor, we have the Intel Core Ultra 9285K. For the motherboard, we have the TUF Gaming Z890 Plus Wi-Fi. This PC build also has 32GB RAM, which is the Dominator Titanium, a graphics card, which is the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super, an absolute beast. And for the cooling and cases, the TUF Gaming TF120 RGB fans, ASUS TUF Gaming GT502 case, and the TUF Gaming LC2 360 ARGB cooler. This PC build is everything I need for content creation, gaming, editing, or whatsoever. And it's literally a beast of a gaming PC and an editing PC. But let me take this opportunity to tell you that this is just one of my achievements that I reached because of you guys. So thank you guys for supporting, watching, and subscribing to this channel. And of course, my intentions are never to brag, but to inspire a lot of aspiring content creators and videographers out there that we are one step away from our dreams, always one step away from our dreams if we're not going to start. And if you never make a move, we will never reach our dreams. So stop sabotaging yourself and stop waiting for that breakthrough to come, because it will never happen if you never make your first move. So start your journey one step at a time and let energy and momentum build. Again, thank you so much guys for watching and for supporting this channel. This is Jai, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. And And by the way, I just borrowed this PC from ASUS for a video, but everything else is mine. So don't believe what you see in the internet and learn from the things that I just said a while ago. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.